How to join Anime Card Clash Discord server step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join Anime Card Clash on Discord server. So first of all, you need to open a web browser and search for Roblox, and after that you have to click on Roblox and sign into your account. And on the search bar, you have to search for Anime Card Clash from here, and after that you have to click on enter, and after that it will show you the Anime Card Clash. You have to just click on that, and after clicking on here, as you can see, you have to scroll down and click on join for updates and the Discord sign here. And after clicking on here, it will redirect you to the Discord uh, website or open your app. And after that you have to click on accept as your username, and after clicking on that you are good to go, and you are now joined at Anime Card Clash on Discord server. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.